Yes, hello. We are at Børrvågen, Børra, Norway. The weather is beautiful, and I think it's our last summer days in the end of August. So just going to try something new. Walk up here to Børrvågen, the water. Yes, be right back. Here we are by the water. There are sheep in the mountain, kind of still. Let's hope for some more wind. I want to make a fire here. Yes, so we got a fire going. Christian has helped me fix the wood. Yes.
It's very hot.
Yeah, and we have grill food. I'm going to fix one of my rods and throw a dip on, and let's see if we can get some fish. Got some more wind. That's good. No knots. Even better. So doesn't look too good because I'm kind of fishing in with the wind towards me. So it got kind of windy. You know, the weather is very good. It's very warm, kind of 20 degrees outside. So the fishing weather should be very good. Although I'm not an expert on this water, so some say that stormy weather is best in this water. Well, let's just see what happens. The fire is going very good. So we got some stuff we're going to barbecue here. Christian is getting firewood.
Yeah, it's getting warm here.
Yeah, nice.
And the wind is really warm also.
Yeah, over 20 degrees. So I think my dub is floating towards land. Yippee-ki! So it's 8:30, and I've really gotten the fire going. My dub is blowing towards land, so it's kind of hard to fish with it. I'm going to try some fishing with fly in a moment. So it's quite deep, the water. I think you can get fish everywhere. So as we're going to grill, I've taken up my dip rod with worms because it was just blowing in towards land. So I want to fish a little bit with the fly. So yes, it's warm, good wind, 20 degrees. It's very nice weather. Kind of the last summer days for autumn. We're going to zoom in on the sheeps up in the mountain. Here they are eating themselves fat for the autumn. You can hear them grazing in the mountains.
My brother is going to make a good throw. Hope he can catch a big fish.
Maybe we will catch the wind.
Yeah, it's okay. Well,
These dubs in throwing towards the wind are not good.
yeah, it can be difficult if you don't do it exactly correctly.
It's the wind against, not
So yeah, some bad luck there. Better throw next time.
So go the move a little bit. Should be easy. Stand here. Good throws. Maybe the flies are too dry. It will soon get more dusty.
Pretty nice weather today. What we can say about this nature is absolutely fantastic. If you haven't experienced it yet, I can highly recommend it. It's a great island for fishing, for sure. And we're back. And we had some sausages on the grill, which yeah, looks like they're finished soon. Looks kind of black. And we also have some visitors here. There are some, I don't think you can see it from here, but if I zoom a little bit, we have some wonderful swans. Pretty amazing birds. There are actually many of them here on this island. And usually they operate in couples, like male and females. So it looks like you have two happy couples here with swans. Great birds. Fascinating.
Yes, I'm going to film them some more. So there are swans here. Beautiful. So I had one fish after the fly, but it didn't sit. It was approximately out here, over the stones there. Yeah, I didn't follow, so I was talking. It went very fast. Maybe we'll get another chance later. So we're going to grill the spare rib. Ah, sauce vide.
Kudos.
Kudos spare ribs. Yeah, very good.
Go away this.
And we have consumed one sausage each. And the water suddenly got very still again. Just kind of. The swans are still over here. They have two younglings. So this turns out to be a very nice trip. Very nice water. And this looks like a giant has like put his palm, his imprint on the mountain wall a long time ago. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fingers. It's kind of cool. Okay, I have fish. At least I was a nap. My brother is going to film.
Taking over the role as a cameraman, so my brother can most likely catch it. You could see the duppies going a little bit up and down there.
Oh, it's nice too.
Yeah, it seems like it's heavy.
It's okay.
So the big one, right?
Yeah. Oh, no.
Yeah, it's hard to see the dip from here, but as you can see on the fishing pole, it's the fish has some weight.
Oh, it's nice. Oh, I have to take it in now.
So if we catch it, it will be the first one for today. Way, there it goes.
Nice!
Oh, panic! Panic! Oh yeah, he caught it. Good job.
Ah,
Nice catch.
the fucking hook fell off.
Oh my god,
Oh, look.
that was so crazy. Look at this
my
one.
God.
Wow.
I've never gotten a trout in this water before.
What I can say about this one, this is just fabulous.
Thank you.
Perfect. Perfect.
On a dip in clear water here. It's a miracle. Yeah, so I got very lucky there. The fish fell off and then it tried to swim out and it swam up on a rock, so I could catch it. So yeah, just sometimes you are lucky. That's very good that we have gotten one fish. That's good. And then my brother is now staking the cutlets, the chops.
4 kilos fatter after eating.
Oh, also good fish out here, just straight out of the rock. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. So it's kind of, I feel some wind now. Yeah. So it's getting more dusky. It's called dusk. Yeah, dusk.
Yeah, I think it's the right word.
And I'm going to eat this. And then we're just going to have a good time. Get some more fire on the campfire. And we'll be back. Yes, we have to get the campfire going again. And so it's getting very dusky now. And you see here the swains are enjoying the weather with their younglings. Beautiful. So I think I had one more small nap. It was just something touching the bait. Want to fish a little bit with fly soon. It's getting perfect for it.
And here we are again. My brother is still fishing. So we're waiting for the big fish to catch. Yeah, we want a bigger one, but the one we got is big for sure. And we got the campfire up and going again. So we have to cut some wood here. And basically just enjoying the fishing trip. All right. So I'm a little bit further away from the water. Just want to see if I got a good catch of the sun going down to the ocean. As you see, the colors are spectacular. So yeah, my brother is yelling. I think he maybe have a catch, so I need to go back.
Hello, we are back. So I'm trying to make some coffee here. We have some cutlets on. Don't know if they're going to get finished, but it's getting quite dusky, as you can see. I had another nap on the fly. I won't sit, so it's very still. I want to change the worm on the bait soon. Yes, so it's 10 to 10 in the evening. Hey, we are grilling the last chops and making coffee here. So it's 10 past 10, so it's getting very dark, as you can see. So I tried some more throws with fly, but I didn't get anything. So I'm going to try a little bit more, then go home before it gets too dark. So we have enjoyed ourselves. Beautiful. Yes, yes. So my father took a trip up to visit us. Yes.
I have been in the Norway water and I catch 17 very nice trouts.
It means 2.
I mean 2.
Yeah.
And I lost one.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I got one and I'm happy. Almost lost it though, had to run after it. So the bowl is still burning. We have eaten very good food and it's kind of very
Very
dusky.
today.
Yes. So it has been a beautiful trip. So just going to pack now and I'll be back.
Over and out.
Yes. Yes. We are done packing. Woo! And we are leaving this Børrvågen. It is beautiful. It's been a beautiful evening. So, yes.
I am very beautiful.
Yeah. Woo!
I am also very beautiful.
Signing off from Børrvågen. Yes, we are done with the cars and we are signing off for Børrvågen. It's been a beautiful trip. It's getting darker and darker. We were up there